Tonight's case involves ordinary people thrust into a vortex of tech items, each one searching for vital clues to end a story so far yet has no ending. Perhaps you could help. Join me as we try to unsolve this tech item.
There was a young man who was quite talented in using stealth. He scanned his surroundings, finding nothing out of the ordinary. After going in undetected, so he thought, he soon found out that he had been indeed detected. He thought everything went so smoothly. What went wrong? Let's find out. This HD Wi-Fi clock is unique in a particular way. It has a camera hidden in it. The camera resolution is 1080p and fully motion detection. And of course, it has night vision. Anyone that comes near that alarm clock will be recorded and the owner will be notified immediately. How does it work? When you open up the box, you will receive simple instructions. After putting in the lithium battery, which can last almost a full week if not plugged, you connect the clock camera to your Wi Fi connection and now you're ready to go. However, the device will prompt you to download its app. Now, you will be able to monitor, download recorded footage, and have a peace of mind. As I said before, you will be able to see live video day and night. Definitely utilize the app. With the app, it gives you more functionality. For example, you'll be able to zoom further. However, the further you zoom, the blurrier the image will be. You also have the peer-to-peer or Wi-Fi remote viewing. And basically that does, you could be somewhere else in a different area, a different state, and then you can always monitor your house through the alarm clock whenever you want to. Which I think that's very unique. And not to mention, it's just a good way for security. Can it be possible the stealthy young man was being watched through a Wi Fi clock camera? The homeowner was millions of miles away, but somehow he was able to watch the young man through the app on her phone. Now, with the app is just another powerful tool that's easily integrated to your Wi-Fi clock with your phone and other apps, as long as it's compatible. Now, as you use the app, you can always view any type of footage because it does record it and save them. I believe up to a week. So and it also too, you have a 32 gig storage device on the camera as well, on the camera itself. So you kind of can save footage on the camera or save footage through the app on the phone. And sometimes it does offer a cloud storage.
So now we're going to talk about if I recommend this device. I do, but I don't. I do because it's a great way for security and it's a great way to be discreet. So if you got somebody that sees your camera on the outside of the house and somehow they go through the back way, nobody will ever suspect your alarm clock to have a hidden camera inside of it. So that's one way I would definitely recommend it. Now the way I don't recommend it depends on the type of clock you have. What the product is, you may have a hard time looking for the app. We had a hard time finding the correct app. It took a while because you kept getting like a foreign app for it, which wasn't working completely. So if you do get a alarm clock with a hidden camera in it, make sure you research it and see the type of app it has and make sure it's easily accessible. Otherwise, I think it's wonderful. The price point is under $50, which is always a plus. Always buying different pieces of tech under $50 for security is always a plus in my book. So now, as far as a young man that escaped from the home, he escaped. Nobody found him. He was long gone. When he realized that he was being recorded, he fled. And it's been several years now. Hopefully, we'll find that bad guy.